Hi guys, welcome to the Essential Makeup series. Today is our lipstick day. So here's a video on how to make your lipstick last longer. Step 1. Always use a lip liner. It helps prevent your lipstick from bleeding outside of your lip line. It's a good idea to moisturize your lips before you start applying lipstick, but before you put your lipstick on, take off the excess lip balm. Step 3. Apply a first coat of your lipstick. And by the way, my essential makeup class is going to teach you all of this and much more. Link is in the description below. Okay, next, blot your lipstick with a tissue paper and dust lightly with loose powder. And there it is. Add a second coat and your lipstick is going to be transfer resistant and last you all day or night. Got that? Let's watch it again. Step 1. Use a lip liner. Step 2. Apply the first coat of lipstick. They say your lip liner should match your lipstick, but I find using a nude lip liner works great as well. Remember what's next? A tissue paper, blot, loose powder, and now it's time for a second coat. And there it is, easy peasy lipstick that stays all day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you all next time.